guys, welcome back to my channel, and to this vlog I'm going to unbox this parcel is from Shopee, and I ordered this last week and it's arrived today, and let's unboxing. So this item is for my vlog. So before we open, let's sanitize first. Okay, so patay ang germs. I ordered this. This item is let's start unboxing, and before that I would like to thanks the Ninja Van. Okay, so let's start. Guys, magagamit ko to sa pag-vlog. So I ordered this for this is cost $499. Guys, this is so maganda naman siya kasi naka bubble wrap. And so first I ordered this portable gamepad for my Mobile Legends. I think it's sira. Oh my god, guys, nasira siya. Pasag. But it's okay. Talagyan ko lang siya ng pandikit dito para gamit ko siya. But it's broken. The second one I ordered this video stabilizer. So tingnan natin guys kung masisira ba siya. This cost $499. Yes, $499. May laki pala siya guys. And wala siyang instruction kung paano siya gamitin. Mabigat siya guys. Hindi ko siya alam kung paano siya gamitin. So this is paano ka ito guys? Pagkaalam ko ganito siya eh. And ito guys, ito sa kita. Ito yung lalagyan ng cellphone. Parang ito yung ano guys, i-adjust mo kung gusto mo yung mabigat, mabagaan. So guys, the portable gamepad is sira. So I don't know kung pwede ba siyang ibalik sa Shopee, but it's cost 50 pesos. So maybe itatapon ko na lang siya kasi hindi ko siya magagamit. So the video stabilizer, I rate 1 to 10, maybe 8 because wala siyang instruction kung paano siya gamitin, and maybe isa-search ko na lang sa YouTube kung paano siya gamitin. Mabigat siya guys, maybe galing siya. Maganda naman siya kasi yung mga stabilizer na yung mamahal, yung worth of 2,000 above, hindi ko ko siya mapipili. So, ito mula tayo sa 499. And that's for today's video, guys. Have courage and be kind to one and all. And see you in my next vlog. Bye!